Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about how I make a slick bun on 4C hair. Okay, so if you want to keep watching, let's go. So you take your water. Styler. This is not like really slick because I don't like too much gel in my hair. But if you want it really slick, put a lot of gel around the circumference and you just brush it, keep brushing it and work it through. But because I don't like a lot of gel, that's the only, this is how it's come out. To be like half slick, half not slick. So if you want to do a ponytail, you hold your head like this and you make it as tight as you can. I usually make a knot and pull it because that's how I want it. Okay. Then you fix it however you want your bun. This is so hard without a mirror, I swear. Okay. I can't see, okay? The blindest person ever. If you see, just brush. Now we come to the end. But these ones, I just do this. Get through. Take some gel. the brush and I brush it. You can't see the back, but I do that one separately because sometimes it falls off. So I put a lot of gel on that one and I just brush the back. So if you think your back of your head is like short, you just do that separately and that should work for you. Don't want to leave any. Okay, now to the edges. And for edges, you take your toothbrush. I have a toothbrush, whatever brush you use for edges, use it. I take this and my Gorilla Snot. It's really, really sticky. So you gotta do it like this to control the, the snot, basically. Okay. So I do this. I put it there on that. There. And there. I let it sit for some time to, soften up the hair. I'm not really good at doing this swooping. It's easier to do it in the mirror, but since I'm like recording, it's kind of hard. But you can either hold the brush like this to help you, do the swoop. Like that. It depends on how you hold the brush too. That is good. And I take just a little bit and I don't have what's that called? Sideburns. But the little I have, I just flaunt it. Then we're working the other side now. Okay, so the left side is really hard to do. You gotta go all the way here, like do this, and you hold the brush like that, and you just let your finger, guide you to what you're doing. And that will work. That's what. My left side is not that great. Middle is just like a widow's peak or something like that I have here. Again, if you want if you really want your edges to be laid, put more gel on it. That will work. So after I've done this, see the residue or the white stuff? It looks like snot and rope. Like the white stuff around. I really don't like it, so I take a scarf or, not a scarf, but a head thingy. Absorb some of the gel so that the white stuff doesn't show that much. So put it here and make it as tight as you can. Tight as you can. And then I'll wait for like 1 minute and so how's your day? Yep. There you go. I mean, the white stuff is still there, but when it dries completely, it kind of fades away. So it's not that great, but the edges aren't that great, but you know what I mean, It's alright. done. Yeah. As you can see it better here. Whenever I put gel in my hair, you see that my curls will be showing just a little bit. But that's it. It's that simple. It literally takes me 3 minutes to do this. So I always do this for school. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. See you in my next video.
This that pull up in a Mercedes. So they watch it rock out to Sadies. Yapon.